Good morning everyone, welcome to Dude X. Arduino video after a long time. Yes, our last video of Arduino about serial monitor we've done 4 months ago, and now we are doing a new video of something big, actually big. So far we have done basic videos. Actually, we have done 3 basic videos. We have done 4 Arduino videos. I have selected 3 of them as basic videos because of their basic contents. And actually, not only programming languages, in any language or any kind of platform, there are 3 stages as basic, intermediate and advanced. So we have done on Arduino, we completed one half of basic things about Arduino, and don't worry, the other half we will just fully complete from this video, and from next video onwards we are only doing intermediate videos. Actually, the difference is that in our past few videos we didn't use the videos with this mark basic, we didn't use any kind of library. But from the advanced videos, intermediate videos, we are using libraries. We are working with the libraries. And yes, in the first video we showed you how to link an LED. It's actually a simple thing. And in the second video we showed you how to work with the serial monitor. Not only that, how to work with the ultrasonic sensor. We showed you how to use logical statements which are if and else if. So I'm not going to tell you about that. Again, I'm explaining it there. Actually, simply what happens is if something is done, the condition should be happening here. I use if inches is less than 10, serial dot print something is near there and delay 1000. And if I need, I can just clear this part and put digital write 5 pin mode high and delay 1 second. Delay means delay 1000. And digital write 5 pin number comma low. And else means not, that if that condition is not true, else we can do another condition. Actually, that thing is there. I'm explaining it on that video. I'll put all these videos below in the link description. You can just watch them, or you can just search in YouTube and watch them by serial monitor to X or something like that. And you've done these basic projects on creating alarm, yes, a clock, which means a security alarm, which means that if the ultrasonic sensor reading is less, the buzzer should work. That means actually buzzer is also working, like an LED, and the main things. So including something related to the programming languages, we taught you how to use logical statements which are if, else and else if. Yes. If statements, else statement and else if statement. And today from this video, the last basic video, I'm teaching you how to use for loops. And yes, the other I have remained to tell you under the basic. So for that, I open my Arduino software. You can see I open it, And here you can see that in our first introduction video we used pin mode 13 output digital right and to blink an LED. So here also I first write a code like this. Yes guys, now you can see actually this is the same thing here. The difference is the pin number 13 is changed to pin number 1. Anyhow, today first I'm showing you how to make a night rider circuit with 4 LEDs. Yes, that is too easy. You just have to increase the LEDs as in the end of our video. You can see that we connected 1.2k resistor and LED there, 1.2k resistors with the connection, the parallel connection with the negative terminal of the LED is going to ground, and the other part is going to pin number 13 as in that video. So in here I used 1 and to use night rider circuit. To make night rider circuit, there are at least 3 I'm using 4 LEDs and show you. First I'll copy these parts. Like these 3 and 4, and again this also. Yes, this is all what you have to do. First pin modes are initialized, then in the loop. As in the blink project, it's working as 1 high 1 low, 2 high 2 low, 3 high 3 low, 4 high 4 low, 4 high 4 low. After 4, again it should go back. So 3 high 3 low, 2 high 2 low, 1 high 2 low by delay. If you need to make it run fast, you can change this delay. So just compile it. I'm not uploading this code. I'm writing a new code and show you what's in. First I'll take new one, and now for loops. With these things. Here are the initialized pins 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now the for loop is this. First loop and then I'll explain to you. Okay, now what I have done in here is, you can see the for loop. This is the for loop. This part is the for loop. Just have to put this word for, then in brackets int means the variable type, int means the integer means a whole number, as I said before. the variable name is a and it is equal to 1, and then because it's 1 because the first pin that I'm using is 1, so it's 1, and then again is a less than 5 because now I'm used 4 LEDs and it's good to go to maximum number, so it's 5, and if it is true then it should increase by 1, so that's why it is a plus plus. So this is simply what is a for loop. Then digital write a high, delay 1000, digital write a low. Here I use a because I need to run this for loop, and then so now it's going to this side, and now it needs to come back as before. So you need to use another for loop like this. You can use the same variable name twice because Arduino can't identify that, so they will give an error. And I'm using C as my variable name. C, and now it is equal to 5, and it should be bigger than 1. Okay, C should be decreased, so that's why I'm using 2 minus marks to decrease it. So digital write C high, delay 1000, digital write C low. Now this is the actual thing that is in our new program, and this is what's known as for loop. So I'll compile it. Okay, now there's no errors in the code, and also now you can see that this code is more little than the previous code. It's actually good and easy to read, and the code is little small. Okay, now you can upload the code to the board to see whether it is working. So guys, before uploading, I changed this 1000 to 100 cores. If it's running from 1 second, it will take so much time to run a lab, so I changed it to 100. So also now you have to select the board as Arduino Uno, and because I am using Arduino Uno, if you are using Arduino Nano, you have to select Arduino Nano. It will this program will also run in Nano. And also the port is COM6, is my serial port. Select your port, and now click the upload. Okay, now you can see those LEDs are running from here and back, and because you know how it works, it's from the for loop. You know how it works, and I put the variable name as a in the for loop, int a equals 1. Because I connected the first LED to the pin 1, and then it is checking whether it is less than 5, it's true, and so because it's true, it is increasing 1, so it is going to the second LED. Again it's checking whether it is less than 5, then it is going to the third one. So after in here it is breaking because it's not less than 5, so it is going back. I used 5, you can also use it as 4, it's not much problem. Again after that it's going to the other part. After breaking it's going to the other part, which is int. I put the variable name as c is equal to 5. Yes, it's true because I didn't connect the pin 5. You can in here also you can, in there also you can put 4 in there. It's not much problem. And then it is checking whether it is greater than 1. Yes, 5 is greater than 1. 5 means 4. Now it's on 4. 4 is greater than 1. So it is decreasing to backside. So it's going to this one. Again it is checking whether it is greater than 1. Again going this side. Again to this side. Then it is checking whether it is greater than whether it is less than it is greater than 1. So it's not true. It is this equals to 1. So it is going to the first one again, because the void loop is working as a circle, you know that. And to make it run, digital write a high, so the LED is turning on, and the delay is 100, which means 1/10 of a second. And again digital write a low, so the LED is turning off, or else the LEDs keep on. So that's how it works. I hope you understood that. Okay guys, now and it's the end of my video. Today you learned how to use for loops, and now also you know what are if-else statements from the serial motor video. Actually, this is the end of our basic series, so we are starting a new journey from intermediate teaching videos and project videos from here onwards. And thank you very much for watching again. Like this video, comment this video, share this video with your friends, and also if you still didn't subscribe to our channel, subscribe right now and click the bell icon and hit it, so you'll never miss a single video that we are releasing. Again, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.